Numbers chapter 13, verse 1 to 33. Verse 1. The Lord said to Moses. Verse 2. Send some men to explore the land of Canaan, which I am giving to the Israelites. From its ancestral tribes send one of its leaders. Verse 3. So at the Lord's command, Moses sent them out from the desert of Paran. All of them were leaders of the Israelites. Verse 4. These are their names. From the tribe of Reuben, Shammua son of Sakur. Verse 5. From the tribe of Simeon, Shaphat son of Hori. Verse 6. From the tribe of Judah, Caleb son of Jephone. Verse 7. From the tribe of Issachar, Igal son of Joseph. Verse 8. From the tribe of Ephraim, Hosea son of Nun. Verse 9. From the tribe of Benjamin, Palti son of Rappu. Verse 10. From the tribe of Zebulun, Gadil son of Sudi. Verse 11. From the tribe of Manasseh, a tribe of Joseph, Gadi son of Susi. Verse 12. From the tribe of Dan, Amel son of Jimali. Verse 13. From the tribe of Asher, Sitor son of Mikael. Verse 14. From the tribe of Naphtali, Nabi son of Vopsi. Verse 15. From the tribe of Gad, Geuel son of Maki. Verse 16. These are the names of the men Moses sent to explore the land. Moses gave Hosea son of Nun the name of Joshua. Verse 17. When Moses sent them to explore Canaan, he said, Go up through the Negev and on into the hill country. Verse 18. See what the land is like and whether the people who live there are strong or weak, few or many. Verse 19. What kind of land do they live in? It is good or bad? What kind of towns do they live in? Are they unwalled or fortified? Verse 20. How is the soil? Is it fertile or poor? Are there trees in it or not? Do your best to bring back some of the fruits of the land. It was the season for the first ripe grapes. Verse 21. So they went up and explored the land from the desert of Zin as far as Rehob, toward Lebo Hamath. Verse 22. They went up through the Negev and came to Hebron, where Ahiman, Shishai, and Talmai, the descendants of Anak, live. Hebron had been built 7 years before Suan in Egypt. Verse 23. When they reached the valley of Eshcol, they cut off a branch bearing a single cluster of grapes. 2 of them carried it on a pole between them, along with some pomegranates and figs. Verse 24. That place was called the Valley of Eshcol because of the cluster of grapes the Israelites cut off there. Verse 25. At the end of 40 days, they returned from exploring the land. Verse 26. They came back to Moses and Aaron and the whole Israelite community at Kadesh in the desert of Paran. There they reported to them and to the whole assembly and showed them the fruits of the land. Verse 27. They gave Moses this account. We went into the land to which you sent us, and it does flow with milk and honey. Here is its fruits. Verse 28. But the people who live there are powerful, and the cities are fortified and very large. We even saw descendants of Anak there. Verse 29. The Amalekites live in the Negev. The Hittites, Jebusites, and Amorites live in the hill country, and the Canaanites live near the sea and along the Jordan. Verse 30. Then Caleb silenced the people before Moses and said, We should go up and take possession of the land, for we can certainly do it. Verse 31. But the men who had gone up with him said, We can't attack those people. They are stronger than we are. Verse 32. And they spread among the Israelites a bad report about the land they had explored. They said, "The land we explored devours those living in it. All the people we saw there are of great size." Verse 33. We saw the Nephilim there. The descendants of Anak come from the Nephilim. We seems like grasshoppers in our own eyes, and we look the same to them.